In this video, let's talk about how to fix African Bank app two-factor authentication problem. So if you're having issues receiving the authentication code, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the date and time settings within your device is synced. So simply head over to the settings on your device, head over to date and time, and make sure that it is set to automatic if this is not the case for you. Secondly, what you can try out or need to ensure is that you have not connected to any sort of VPNs. If you have, make sure you disconnect, and you can also try to switch your network connection. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to your cellular data or vice versa. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still facing this issue. This could likely be happening either due to app bugs or due to the server-side issue within the bank's application. So in this situation, what you could try out is just try to reinstall the application. And even after reinstalling, you're still facing this issue. As I said, this is likely happening due to the server-side issue. In this situation, just wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically resolved. So that's the way on how you could do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.